Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can we work with light and dark themes in .NET MAUI applications. Okay, so I have simply created this project. I added one page. I didn't change anything on the main page. So this is the same page. I just changed the title. So I added this light and dark theme. Then I added one content page with XAML, this profile page, and I have this simple UI on this page. So this is a border with this image which comes with the default template. Then I have these two strings, these labels with this box view, and then on the bottom I have this logout button. Okay, and then I went to the app shell and I added this tab bar and I added that profile page directly as shell content. And then I have added these stylings. So shell.background color white. So for this nav bar, the background color is white. Then nav bar has shadow. So this shadow which we can see here. Then tab bar background color, this EEE slightly white color. So this background for the tab bar. Then we have tab bar title color. So this black color. Then tab bar unselected color. So this when the tab is unselected, that color. Okay. So this is what I have done so far. Now, if you see, everything looks fine. Okay. I have this, yeah, and the title color as well. I added this. So this title color is a bit different. It is matching with this. So this is the application. Simple. Everything looks fine. Great. Now let's see if we change the theme. Right now this is default white theme. If we go to the dark theme, and now if we see the internal content of this home page, it got changed. This is fine. But if you see the header, the nav bar and tab bar, these are not looking that good. And if you see the selected tab, the home tab is selected. Here we have this icon which is in white color, which is not visible right now. Now if you go to profile page, here also we can see this background color got changed. This is white color which does not matching with this thing. And for this account settings text and this change password, the text is also not very much visible. Okay, so right now what we did, we directly used some colors in this app shell. We directly use these colors on profile page. For all these elements we directly use some colors. So for background border background color and text color on these texts and all, so we are directly using colors. So this is, if we want to work with light and dark theme, we need to change the way we define these colors and settings and all. We can have other settings as well, but mostly when we change theme, the color is the thing which gets changed. But you can change the text, you can change the icons and all. Now how can we do this? If you see, we didn't add anything explicitly, but something got changed explicitly. So this home page, this page background, this automatically gets changed to black, and then the text turns to white. Now if I go back to light theme, here if you see, now the background is white and the text color is black, right? So that is automatically adapting the changes. But other parts of the thing which we explicitly defined, those are not getting changed. Those are not adapting the current theme. So let's first see what is happening for this default thing. So for this, if we go to the resources folder, styles folder, here we have the styles.xaml file. And here, if you see anything, and let's check the page only. So we'll go to page. Here, this is the page. Padding 0, that is fine. Background color. Now if you see the background color for the page, what we are saying, we are using this app theme binding, this markup. So app theme binding, if the theme is light, you should use static resource white. If the theme is dark, you should use static color of black. So this app theme binding, this is the thing which is doing this magic. We can define explicit values for light theme and dark theme. Okay, so this is how so this is the default behavior which is getting changed for background. Same thing if we go to the, maybe let's say, what was that, label, right? So on label also, if you see text color, for light theme the text color is black, for dark theme the text color is white. That is what we saw on the home page, right? Right now this is white theme, light theme, and if we switch to dark theme, we can see the text is changing to this color. So this is how we can do this. Now what we are doing, we are directly setting these colors. So now what we'll do, we'll not do the direct color set. Rather than we are going to use the same app theme binding. Okay, so let's quickly open this thing and then let's go to app shell. First we'll fix our nav bar and tab bar, then we'll move to profile page. Okay, so on home page, it does not matter we are on home page or profile page for this one. So we'll go to app shell here. Okay, so shell dot background color, this white, which is this top navbar color. So instead of directly using white, what we'll say app theme binding. If this is light theme, we are going to use white color. Okay, if it is dark theme, we are going to use, let's say, static or let's use black color in this case. So right now if you see, the color got changed. Right now we are in dark theme, so it is black. Now if we change it to light theme, we can see this is white. So this is adapting. Now let's change the, on this dark color, this light and dark theme, this text does not look good. This text is coming from where? From this title color. Right now we have the static resource, this tertiary color. Instead of this, we'll cut this, and here we'll say app theme binding. If this is light theme, use the color which we just copied, and if this is dark theme, we are going to use white color. All right, now let's move to the bottom tab bar. So on tab bar, what we are saying, tab bar background color is this color, hash EEE, but this should be only if we have white color. So here if you noticed one thing, we don't need to define both of the theme colors, but it's always better to define both. So what happens, let's say right now we can see this thing here. I'll say app theme binding. If this is light, I'm going to use this color. Right now if you see, I didn't provide the dark theme, so for these cases it automatically picks styling from styles dot this xaml, this xaml file, the main root file. But if you are doing this, so it's always better to use both of the color here only, so that you know what is happening. But it's up to you, you can leave this like this also if you want to. So we'll not do this. For dark, we are going to use the black color, this one. Cool. Now let's set the tab bar title color. So right now we can't see the color. Let's change this as well. So we'll say app theme binding. If this is light, we'll use black. If this is dark, we'll use white. Now we can see this. All right. Now if the tab is unselected, this thing, for this also, let's use the same thing. But you are free to use any other styling as well if you want to. So right now we can see this. You see, you can maybe make it this unselected instead of white. You can maybe use some light version of black color. So maybe 555, 222. No. CCC. Yeah, this is fine. All right. So for this, now let's quickly try how it looks on light theme. So on light theme, if we see, everything is same, right? And on dark, it is adapting to the changes. Cool. Let's now fix this profile page. Now if you go first, let me first save everything, go to the profile page. So here on this border, this looks fine, we can leave this if we are okay that it looks like this for both of the themes, then we are okay. If not, you can change this as well. But for me, what I'll do, I'll simply change these text colors, this account setting and change password. So right now here I have this dark slate gray color for this text. So I'm going to change this. I'll say app theme binding. If this is light, then I'm going to use dark slate gray. If it is dark, then I'm going to use white. And now we can see this white color. Save it. Now this app theme binding, this is same because you already saw in style.xaml. We can have this in style setters as well for the resources as well. If you have some common resources, you can move there, or you can have the same thing on this content page label resources as well. So this is same, the way you will define the styling, this is going to be same. Style, and you can have target type label and all sort of stuff. Whatever you can do there, you can do here. All right. So let's do the same thing for the next label as well. So here we have this label. Here also we'll do this. Save it. And now we are good. For this top, if you want to, you can change. If you don't, no need to do anything. Cool. So this is how we can adapt to the light and dark theme. We can change these themes. Now, what if we are using our app and we want to force our app to use only one of the theme? So maybe you have seen some of the things. We have two things. We have our app level theming, right? We have light and dark theme option in our application itself. Okay, so it will not affect the entire OS, entire Android or iOS or Windows or Mac, but it will only affect our app. So that also we can do. Let me show you right now. Let's move to the light theme. So right now we are in light theme. Okay, now let me go to the main app page. I'm here, app.xaml.cs page. Here, what I'll do, so we have user app theme. This is a property which is of type app theme enum. We can set. So on app theme dot, we have unspecified, which is default, which adapts to the system's theme. But we can also have dark and light theme explicitly defined for our application. So now what I said in app, I'm setting user app theme to app theme dot dark. That means we are enforcing our app to use dark theme always. So right now, if I stop this and start the app again, it should open in dark theme only, and it will not adapt to the system level theme, because right now we are defining user app theme, that means theme for our app. Let's see how it looks. So you see, it came directly in dark mode, right? Everything is adaptive, everything is fine. If we see, system level theme is light only. This is not a dark theme. Now if we change to dark theme, nothing is going to change in our application. Same thing, if we go back to light theme, so OS theme, Android theme is getting changed, but here nothing is getting changed. You see? So this is how we can define app level theme. Here we can say app level theme, or we can say enforcing our app to use this theme always, regardless of the system level theme. System level theme. This is how we can do this. Now, there can be cases where we want to do some stuff on the basis of theme change. Okay, so either we are changing the theme by ourselves or the system level theme is getting changed. So for those cases, we have one thing which we can do. So on our application level, we can say app.current dot it has an event. First, it has two things: requested theme. This requested theme, this is the property which is going to give you the system level theme. Okay, so if the current system has light theme, it will give us, this is the get only. This does not have set. So it will provide us the light theme. If we switch to dark theme on app system level on Android phone or iOS or Windows Mac, it is going to give us that system level theme. Then we have this event requested theme changed. So we can say this, we can add this event handler, and this will tell us that what is happening. Whenever we change any theme, this E has a requested theme again. It gets triggered before the changed theme applied to our application. So here we can say, let's say new theme. I'm going to put a breakpoint here. Okay, then I'm going to simply comment this user theme, user app theme. So right now I want to see, and here because this is inside app only, we can skip this app. But if you want to use this inside, that means on any other page or view model or anywhere, you can do that. So you'll say app.current.requested theme changed the same way. All right, so let me save it. I added a breakpoint. I'm going to stop it. Let's start the app again. This time it should open the system level thing, so which is light right now. So it should open in light mode only. All right, this is in light mode. Let's try to switch to dark. It got changed, but in our application, if you see on system level, it got changed, but in our application, it is still not changed. Our this breakpoint got hit. So here we can handle the change. If I check the new theme, I don't know if you can see it or not. It is very small, but it says Microsoft MAUI application model app theme dot dark, because we are getting dark theme here. So new theme is dark. If I continue, now we can see this dark theme. Same way, if I'm going to change it to light theme, now our breakpoint got it. This time we see we have app theme dot light. New theme is going, which is going to be applied, that is light theme. If we continue, now we are good. All right, this is how we can react to theme change. Something is changing, we can use this. Now let's see one more thing. Here we can have something here which will tell us to switch to dark and light mode, right? Or maybe we can have that thing here on the top. Okay, so maybe on main page, let's do this. On main page, I'm going to say content page dot toolbar items. Okay, and here let me add a toolbar item with a text. I'll say toggle dark light. You can make it dynamic as well. If this is light theme, you'll say switch to dark theme, or you can have different icons. All those things you can have. So toggle dark light theme, or let's say toggle theme, or let's have toggle light and dark. This is fine. Okay, and let's have the clicked event on this. Let's do this. Toolbar item dot clicked. Let's change this to toggle theme, just to make it clear that this is this one. So toggle theme underscore toolbar item underscore clicked. We need to change it here as well. Save it, and now we are good. Now here what we can do, we can simply say user app theme. What was that? So app dot current dot user app theme. Okay, here we can check what is the user app theme right now. So first thing, if we did not set anything, it will default to, or it will have the value unspecified. That means unspecified means it will behave, or it will react to the change of the system level theme. So in this case, we'll see if the app theme is specified, this will check equals, we could say, or we can simply have a switch case. So here we'll say we want to set this user app theme to something on the basis of the current user app theme. I'm going to apply a switch case here. And here what I'll do, I'll say first I'll handle if app theme is dark, I'm going to set to app theme dot light. If app theme dot light, I'm going to say app theme dot dark. And now comes the third case. What if app theme dot unspecified, which is the default case? So in this, what should happen? So because by default we are using white, the light theme, we can simply have app theme dot dark as well for this. Now you can modify this as per your need, because right now we are saying the dark and dark, so we can simply have just dark. If it is dark, we'll say light. If for all other cases, we can simply say underscore, and we can simply say this thing, and then we can omit these two things. But I'm not going to do this. So this is not a tutorial for how the switch works. So this is the switch expression, but I'll do this complete thing. Okay, save it. Now let's see if it works. So let me stop this and restart the application. Okay, so our app is here. By default this is in light. Let's try to toggle this. We clicked on it, breakpoint got hit because the theme changed. Theme is getting changed. So here if we see, this is saying app theme dot dark. If I continue, we can see our application theme got changed. So this toggle light and dark, this is different. So for this also I say there is one of the thing which we can use to change this. For that, maybe I don't know what was that, maybe title color, tell dot tab bar title color. No, just title color, it should have been the same. Okay, let's use this app theme binding. If this is dark, we are going to use white. If this is light, we are going to use black. Let's see if this helps. Right now I'm not sure, because for this one it is a bit tricky, but let's see. If I restart the app, right now you can maybe persist that selected theme in some storage or preferences, SQLite, secure storage, anywhere, and then you can use that. Okay, so here, oh no, what happened? This changed to the title color, changed to this black because for this one, but this is not getting used with this. What else we can use on this text? We don't have the text color, right? I forgot there was some property which we can use for this thing, this right thing. Okay, we'll see that later, but right now let's see if the things are working. So again, let's try switching it, continue. It is dark. The system level, it is still light. If we do click on it again, this time if we'll continue, we can see the white theme, the light theme. So this is how you can have your light and dark theme inside your application. So application level theme you can have using these. So let me first go to main page. Let's change this to dark. Now this is for the default, the light and dark theme only. Okay, what if you want to have a separate colors or some complex themes, let's say red color theme, blue color theme, green color theme. So for those themes, okay, which are not just light and dark theme, for that I already have a video on my channel. In that I explain in details how you can work on those complex themes. So it's here. I just saw that. this beyond light and dark theme. I'm going to drop the link of this video in my description box so you can check this out. Here I have implemented multiple themes, so green theme, light theme, the red theme, and a lot of themes. You can use this approach to use or create a dynamic theme manager or theme switcher, which will not just use the light and dark theme but your custom themes. Okay, all right, so I guess that's all for this video. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe my channel. I'll be back soon with some other cool video. Till then, bye bye. Happy coding.